Hey, do you have ripe bananas, but you're not in the mood to make another banana nut bread? I got you. Hopefully you got carrots. In a bowl, combine 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1 mushed up banana, about a half a cup. 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. 1 cup of granulated sugar. A generous splash of vanilla extract. Now let's mix all these ingredients together. Now to the mix, let's add 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of cinnamon. Now let's give our muscles a workout and grate 2 cups or 3 cups of carrots. Mix everything together and place everything in a parchment-lined baking pan. If you're using silicone, you don't need to. Place in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. I chose not to make the frosting. Pause at the end for the directions. Enjoy.